welcome back to my channel. I'm Rachel, the owner and creator here at the Eclectic Cottage in Spokane, Washington. For today's video, I'm coming to you from my kitchen here at the cottage, which doubles as my workspace because I actually have a thrift haul to show you. My husband and I went on our very first junk run of 2024 on Sunday. Had fun. We were trying to be pretty selective as to the things we were getting. My husband calls it thrifting. So just trying not to add too much to my stash because, as you know, I'm still kind of working through things here in my kitchen and in my storage area, and I don't really want to add a whole bunch back to it right away. But we wanted to go out and see what we could find, and we found some cool stuff, and I'm going to show it to you. So I'm just going to start over here with this cute little vase. This was a yellow tag, so it was, no, it was red that was half price. So this was $2.99. It's super, super cute. Little ivory vase. Oh, excuse me, my nose is itchy this morning for some reason. Oh. Then my husband actually brought me this. He found it. I thought it was super, super cute. It's just a little owl lantern. It's ceramic. It's in really, really good shape. Originally from Better Homes and Gardens. I don't know which store, but it was $5.99, so we grabbed that. Then we got a few owls, that one included. This one I thought was really cute. Again, I'll just wash it and put it out. It was a little more than I would like to spend. It was $3.99, but it'll be cute out on the cottage and I'll make a little bit of money on it. This one also really super cute, and I won't have to do a thing to it. It was $2.99. It's one of those cute little potpourri things, so I'll pull that out, give it a bath, and put it out. Then, was there another? Yeah, this owl. And then this little guy. It's supposed to be a little wax melter. It's got a space for a tea light. I think it's just cute the way it is. So again, I will probably do nothing to this and just put it out the way that it is. It's very neutral, which is kind of nice. So in this one, I paid $2.99 for as well. Then I did find some homemade pottery. I'm always on the lookout for that. It goes over really well at our booth over at the Bohemian. So there were 3 pieces I found. There was this little vase for $2.99. Super, super cute. And then 2 more that I just love the colors of. This one here, again, $2.99. Really cute little thing. And then this one, which is a little bit lighter in color, but also this one was only $1.99. So grabbed those 3 and they will go right over to my booth at the Bohemian after they get a bath. I grabbed these 2. As you know, I'm always on the lookout for candle holders. I sell candle holders here at the cottage. I sell them in both of my booths. They go over pretty well, especially when they're a nice color. These 2 I picked up. They were actually half price items. They were red tags. They were originally $5, so they were $2.50 each. These 2 I might actually use as some sort of a riser. I've got some different wood rounds and different shapes that I could put on these. I think they would make really pretty bases for a small riser. So we'll see what I do with these guys. But I grabbed them both. I thought they were awesome. And then these 2 candle holders I just thought were cute, very primitive looking. They were $1.99 each. They're solid wood. These would be super cute with the little glass, what do you call them? The little candle holders, the votive holders that have the little ring on them that make them stick in here. I don't know what that's called either. Candle ring, I guess we'll call it. But anyway, a little bit of glass on top of these would be super sweet. But I'm just going to paint them and put them out the way they are and see if they sell. So those will definitely be projects in a future video. Now, if you caught my last video, you saw I did a whole bunch of cutting boards. And so I'm pretty bare as far as my cutting boards go. And I saw this one and had to have it. It's just really pretty. I honestly like this one a lot, just the way it is. There is a chance that I might sand this and just give it a good hemp oil cleaning and have it be done, and then just put it out the way that it is. It was $2.99, so we'll see what I do with it. All right. And oh, I found these 2. They were on together, so they were $5.99 for the 2 of them. So $3 a piece basically. Just, you know, vintage kind of macrame little hangers. So I grabbed those. I'll put some pots in these, and these will also go over to my booth at the Bohemian. Stay. This thing I thought was fun. This I think will make a cool project in the future. It was $5. The only thing wrong with it was one of the hooks has been broken off at some point. It feels, I mean, it's not very heavy. It's really thin wood, probably from Hobby Lobby would be my guess. But I thought it'd be super cute painted, and then I might either replace all 3 knobs with something. I might just take them off and leave them off, or I might find another hook like these. I don't know what I'm going to do there yet, but at some point I will clean this up and paint it and make it pretty. So there's that. This plate was, it was half off, thank goodness. I never would have paid $9.99 for it as it is, but that's the price they had on it. So, but it was half price item, so it's $5. I just think this will be really pretty painted, maybe something in the middle, little transfer or decoupage paper or something like that in the middle. So I'm looking forward to using this as a project in the future. Then same with this little guy. It's tin, it's metal. Sorry, don't mean to make all sorts of racket. But I thought it was really cute. I love the detail on it. This is really pretty for painting and then painting it over and then distressing. So that's probably what I will do with this piece. But it was $3.99, so I grabbed it. Actually, I'm just gonna set this back here. Then these 2 little churches were 99 cents each. They both light up, they both work. So this one is that kind of crusty ceramic. It's not been glazed, it's not been painted, nothing's happened to it. So it's very porous and just kind of rough. And so this will definitely get a paint job. This one, however, has a really shiny glaze on it. It's cute, just the way it is. There's nothing wrong with it. I couldn't see any chips or anything like that. And again, it lights up. So for 99 cents, I went ahead and grabbed it. I figure with Easter coming, this would be cute in with like maybe an Easter cross and some bunnies. So we'll put that out. And then this I thought was super cute. I will probably paint the frame on this. I might even take this off and spray it a different color and then paint it. Jury's out, haven't decided yet, but it was only $2.99, and I always love to upcycle wall arty things, so I grabbed that. And then this pot I thought was really pretty. The only thing wrong with it is it has this little chip right here and right here. Some faded burlap paint will probably take care of that and blend it in so you don't even notice them. And it was only $2.99, so I grabbed it. And then my husband loved this little car. It's nothing antique or special. It's made in China, but it was only $2.99. And I always like to have a little section with like antique bottles and some antique tools. And I've got a little wooden duck. And so the car will go with all that stuff for $2.99. I thought it was cute. And then this little thing, this little tray, it's actually made to hang on the wall, but it would make a cute little candle tray. It was on half price, so it was $2.50. It's just cute. It says Home Sweet Home in it. I will more than likely paint this and do something different with it. Maybe paint the handles a coordinating color or something, but I thought it was cute, so I grabbed it for $2.50. It'll be another cute project at some point. So I grabbed this little chest. This one was a little more than I would have liked to spend. It was $8, $7.99, but it's solid wood in the back. The bottom's in really good shape. It's all wood. And then it's this beautiful wickery finish. It's got a couple little scratches and stuff on it, but a paint job, and this will be super cute. So I'll do something pretty with it. Now, this I only bought because it will help in a display just get things up off of a flat surface. basically a riser. This is some kid's woodshop project. It actually is signed somewhere on here. My husband found Shelby made this in 2005. So I am going to paint it. I will make it as pretty as I can. It's very just plain. It's just screwed together. But I remember doing stuff like this in woodshop when I was a kid and loved it. So anyway, it'll be a cute little stand for some, like maybe those owls or something in one of my displays. So I'm going to use it for that. And it was only, how much was this thing? Wasn't very expensive. I think they ended up giving it to us for $3 because it didn't have a price tag on it. So anyway, so that's that. So then there's this shelving unit. I thought was pretty. This was only $7.99. It was kind of tucked underneath a bunch of tables and stuff. It's made for plates. I just thought it was cool. I will paint it just probably one solid color and use it to, again, put in some of my displays on like the back of a dresser or the back of a buffet so that I can actually build up some smalls on my displays. So this will be helpful, and obviously it'll be for sale too. But anyway, I just thought it was neat. Nice wood piece for $8. And then lastly, there's this table. I'm not gonna, well, I guess I could show you a little bit. It's very, very chunky, and it was $20. The top of it is in super, super great shape. It's pretty decent size, but again, I will paint this and do something fun with it and make it pretty and put it out on the floor. So I am in desperate need right now of pieces of furniture in the cottage, just because I did sell the little dilapidated dresser. She sold last week. I had to move another piece of furniture over to our booth at the Bohemian. So my poor cottage is kind of empty of furniture at the moment. So I brought in a dresser today. I have a little cabinet here. I'm working on this coffee table, and I've got this. So I'm going to try and work through some furniture. So for Friday's video, chances are you're going to get some of the processes of getting some of this furniture finished. So I hope you'll join me for that. It should be fun. And I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your week. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, remember to give it a thumbs up. I so appreciate that. And if you haven't already, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and just hit that little notification bell so you don't miss anything. And I hope to see you guys back here for Friday. Thanks again. See you then. Bye.